Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all having a good day. Today we're going to be doing a fair few things. One of them was I needed to get these wheels done because I know that if I don't do them now or anytime soon, I will never end up painting them. So today, that's the main goal. I'm also going to go try and get a bolt for tomorrow's video so we can actually finally fix up that tail shaft in that car and then get that all sorted and running again. And the reason that I'm doing painting today is because I don't want to leave the house today. There's a very important package coming today which I think you guys are going to be very keen for. That way we can finally get this car nice and secure, just like this car here. So yeah, that's coming very, very soon, which I'm super keen for. So I can't go out today. I have to stay home, do something boring. So today we're going to be painting the other wheels in white and then trying to find that bolt as well from another bolt shop in Brendale. So we're going to head over there very, very soon. First of all, let's get this car jacked up. Alright, so if you guys remember on the video 2 days ago you guys would have seen the other white rims that we did end up painting the other day. They turned out so sick. So these rims right here are looking deadly. Like, they end up coming out so much nicer than I thought. Ooh, a little bit dry there. Might touch that up today. But yeah, no, they ended up turning out really nice. Now, as I said in the previous video, we're not going to be doing anything crazy like stripping them all back, taking you into a booth, powder coating them, doing anything crazy. These are drift spares. As said before, these are the ones for the rear tires, the other ones were for the fronts. They're going to get beat up, they're going to come off track, they're going to get chipped up with tire changes and everything, so don't stress guys. This is just a really cheap, quick thing that I wanted to do to make this car pop a little bit better. Ready for registration and ready for the tractor. And also I find the cops hassle you a little bit less when you actually have a nice clean car and not one that looks beat up. And trust me, like, even driving this thing around the streets, I have never been pulled over in this Falcon right here. I've owned it for a year and a half now. Yeah, year and a half, never been pulled over in it. So hopefully with the R33 it's going to be the same case. So I'm just making it look nice and clean and seeing how we go. Rightio, so first step, we're going to be sanding these back, ready to go. I got the orbital there with 120 grit, plus I got some extra sanding paper, plus I've also got some extra sandpaper chilling in the Falcon at the moment, so I'll grab that out in a second. And yeah, let's get to work. Alrighty, so the wheels are all good to go. They're all sanded back finally. I tried not to film too much of it because I didn't want to bore you guys out of your mind. The way they are at the moment look kind of cool. They kind of look like cartoon drawings. I don't know why, but I think it's just because all the edges are like grayed out and stuff. But yeah, they've been painted before. They've been actually gone back to bare metal, and I know that from Koyo they actually powder coat their wheels. But this one here's got like a primer, and then you can kind of see the raw metal there, and then it's got a white over the top. So it looks like it has been painted before. Hence probably why it's all cracking up as well. But these things are ready to dry off, and then we will go over with wax and grease remover, mask them up, then apply a set of paint, which is awesome. Alrighty, so I've quickly hit them with some Nardo Grey. Now time for some white. so got my mate Max here to help me open this because I don't know how to do it. We got a package from Blackview. So you guys might know Blackview. We actually did an install video of one of their dash cams a very long time ago. Should never cut towards yourself, should you?
No.
That's alright, I'm a seasoned professional. I'm gonna kill someone, eh? Whew.
Yeah, yourself.
Sick! So Blackview, well actually my good friend Brandon was actually kind enough to send out an email to Blackview to see if they potentially want to do a sponsor. Because actually very recently we've had to use my dash cam in my car for a very unfortunate event. One that both me and Max would not like to recall or live through again. However, the reason that he manages to, the reason that he hasn't been completely done by the police is because of the dash cam. And so we sent an email to Blackview to say, hey look, you know, thank you so much for making this awesome product. You know, we have it on our cars and it was the reason we managed to get through this difficult time. Blackview was like, hell yeah, we'll send you a couple of things. So they sent me a Power Magic Pro, so this is going to stop my battery from going flat in the Falcon. It wasn't too bad, but yeah. They also sent me a Blackview 750S. So if you guys know the 750S, it is a 2-channel Wi-Fi and GPS dash cam, which is sick. Front and rear, 1080p. This thing is awesome, 60 FPS. We actually have the 650S on the Falcon, however this is the 750. So I don't know what car we're going to be putting this in yet. We're going to be putting it in one of them, either the Skyline or Sarah's car or Max's car or something. How about I'll give you the old one if you put underglow in your car.
If you pay for it.
If I pay for the underglow?
Yep.
Here you go, guys.
You heard it here first.
You heard it here first, guys. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, that's not going to happen. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll put
Underglows on my car.
underglows on Max's car. Sounds good. There you go, there's some bubble wrap for you.
Thanks, mate.
No worries. So, that's sick. Blackview 750S dash cam. Thank you very much, Blackview. I will be doing that install very, very shortly. Back to the rims. Alrighty, so about 3 hours have passed now, and let's have a look at these wheels. I haven't seen them yet. Ooh, alright. They're actually so glossy. Wow, I'm loving these. I feel like I covered these ones a whole lot more than I did the last ones too. They actually look great. I'm so surprised. The satisfying bit. Oh, so annoyingly long. Oof. Oh man. Yeah, I'm in love with that. That's sick. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to give them much time. I'm just going to quickly chuck them back on the car because we need to move this thing out tonight and put the Falcon back in because I hate having this thing outside. So I've just quickly put the wheels on right now and it looks insane. I am so happy with how it's turned out. It's looking so clean. I wasn't expecting this out of a $3,000 Skyline. That's awesome. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I am too stoked for that. That is just incredible. So as for the rest of the appearance, I think the only thing I'm going to be doing now is like putting some mesh grills sort of in the front of the bumper there. And then it's good to go. Like, I think the ride height is literally perfect. This thing's pretty much ready to go. Also, we're going to be doing the calipers as well. I think I'm just going to be doing them as standard red because the calipers on mine have reacted with the paint. They've turned sticky, which is annoying as hell. So anyway, yeah, I'm just going to end up doing these ones red, I think, with some red caliper paint. That'll look sick. I am too stoked with this. So Sarah just got home from work. What do you reckon? What do you mean? Look at what, your shoes? Oh, these shoes.
Shoes of the car.
I know. What do you reckon? I am like,
really good.
I know. Are you okay to like drive in it now? You reckon? Good passenger? Yeah.
You're funny.
Yeah. What do you mean I'm funny?
I can fit fingers underneath.
You can fit fingers underneath. You shouldn't be able to fit fingers up there. No.
No, heaps of room.
Heaps of room.
Heaps of room.
She a bit loose.
Swing a cat in there.
What? What'd you say?
Swing a cat in there. So much room. You can swing a cat. That's a saying.
You can smear cat.
You can swing a cat.
You can swing a cat.
That's the say. If a room's like really big and open, like the kitchen's so big, you could swing a cat in there.
Oh, I was more gonna go like hot dog in a hallway kind of fitment. No?
That's so.
Alrighty guys, all in all, I think this looks $1 million. As I said, we haven't got much to do now. This thing's gonna be registered hopefully within the month or two. This thing is so cool. Oh, by the way, I already got a headlight out. I literally replaced them in a video and that one's already out. No idea, must be an earth fault or something. I am super stoked. Now to try and keep these clean.